Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. So today I'll be designing a party flyer, a food flyer rather. I'm used to party flyers. Food flyer. So let me come to my YouTube page over here. You can see I have different videos on my page, different videos on my channel. If I come to my channel, you can see I have different videos on my channel, different videos on my channel. You can simply download, use for your files. It's very simple and straightforward. So what I will do next here is to I was working on a project. Is to okay, so this is my page. Now let me break it down for you. This is a gradient view. You can see this is a gradient view here. Let me break it down for you. You can see at location 0 I have the deepest red, B10024. At location 100 I have 80020 for my gradient. So, and okay, you can see style is linear, angle is 24.75, scale 100. You can decide to walk around it and have fun. If I reverse it, you see is giving me another feel. You can also do the rest yourself. Straightforward and simple. Now this is a texture that I also got online, so you can decide to if you see that this is a normal mode, it's looking different also. If you change it to multiply, screen, you can see multiply is giving another feel entirely. So you can decide to also add noise or remove your noise. Noise is also a background. You can see if it's normal, you can see it's looking like black if it's normal. Then if you change it to screen, it's looking like another thing entirely. Then my Jollof font, you can see for the fonts I used Technocrats, bold Technocrats bold, I think it's another font entirely. Okay, let me use a thicker font. So let's try something like this. Jollof. Let me expand it, just play around it. This is, by the way, you can use any font you want to use. This is not the font that you can use every time. So yeah, this is a specified font. So this font is called Pinko Black. Pinkoya Black. You can try to use that and play around it. But for this font, I think I used around. I don't know why it's changing. It's around the Technocrats personal that I used. I don't know why it's changing, but I don't want to waste time on that. Then these are PNG file that I worked on. You can see I added Gaussian blur and drop shadow effect to it. Even to these two, you can see drop shadow. This also drop shadow. This also drop shadow, just to give it that life. Then finally for this image, you can see this image has drop shadow effect too. You come to your, so you can see this I used opacity 88, for the color I used black, distance I used 44, angle 90, spread 0, size 122 for this. So it's as simple as that. I got this image also online, so you can as well walk around it. You can use it for your clients. It's ready to use. So please don't forget to subscribe. I will drop this PSD file today for you to download. Thank you.